Hello children, we will see the solution for a revision paper. So the first question, it says DE is parallel to QR. So we know that since two lines are parallel, angle EAB plus angle RBA, they make 180 degree because of co-interior angles, and I'm halving the equation. We get half of EAB plus half of RBA by 2 gives you 180 over 2. We also know that half of EAB is nothing but angle 1 or PAB, angle PAB, and half of angle RBA is nothing but, this is full angle RBA, so half of angle RBA will be angle 2 or angle PBA. So inserting in that equation, so angle 1 plus angle 2 will become 90. In triangle PAB, we know angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle APB is equal to 180 degree. And we know substituting angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90. We get APB is equal to 180 minus 90. That is equal to 90 degree. Let us solve the second question. The second question, we have to prove angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half A, angle A. So let us assume half of angle, this angle is 1, this angle is 2, first assumption. Then we know that angle ABC plus angle CBE is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. Also, we know that OB, they say it is a bisector. So if OB is a bisector, so they given OB is a bisector, therefore angle OBC will be equal to angle OBE. So these two angles are same. So this is also will be 1. Similarly, the other side also OC is also a bisector. Then therefore we know angle OCB will also equal to angle OCD. So this angle will also be equal to 2. Now from the first equation, let us consider this as 1. So from angle ABC plus, I can write instead of CBE, where is CBE? This is CBE. CBE is this full angle. So I can write CBE instead of CBE, I can write 2 times of angle 1 gives you 180 degree. Therefore, angle 1 will be equal to 180 minus, this goes to the other side, minus ABC divided by 2. That would be 90 minus angle ABC over 2. ABC over 2. So let us keep this as equation 2. Then come to the other side. So we know that angle ACB plus angle DCB is equal to 180 degree. So we know that angle ACB plus angle DCB is equal to 180. The same reason, linear pair. So we can also write, instead of writing DCB, I can say angle 2 times of angle 2 because OC was a bisector. So I will write angle ACB plus 2 times of angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle 2 will be equal to 180 degree minus angle ACB over 2 when I bring all the to the other side. So that would be equal to 90 minus angle ACB over 2. Let us consider this equation as 3. So now let us take the triangle. Now we will say, after assuming 1 and 2, in triangle OBC, we know angle BOC, these 3 angles BOC plus angle So after getting the points 2 and 3, in triangle BOBC, we know angle BOC plus angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to 180 degree. So now after substituting the values of angle 1 and angle 2 from 1 and 2, we get angle BOC is equal to half of angle ABC plus angle ACB. Now we go to the main triangle, which is triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, we know angle BAC plus angle ACB plus angle ABC gives us 180 degree. Now come back to this triangle OBC, which we'll take it as 4. So we know that ACB plus angle ABC is equal to 180 minus angle BAC. Therefore, substitute here, angle BAC is equal to half of 180 minus angle BAC. So that would give me the final solution. Angle BOC is equal to half of 180 is 90. So 90 minus angle BAC or angle A. Thus, we have proved. So children, if you want to practice more without seeing the solution, pause the video, find the solution by yourself, then look at the solution. So when you solve it, you can do the detailed step and you can cross check the solution. So let us move on to the third question. They say PQ. So let us move on to the third solution, that is PQ is parallel to SR. So we have to find X and Y. So we know that when two lines are parallel, we'll find for the alternate angles. So this angle is 65. So I just go through my previous videos. You can say that Z shape will gives me the alternate angles. It's a clue for the alternate angle. So when I look at this figure, you see this is the Z shape. Then this angle 65 will be equal to this full angle. Therefore, we say x plus 28 is equal to 65 because alternate angles. Therefore, x will be given by 65 minus 28. That would be x is equal to 37. So we have got the answer for 37. Then we will say in triangle PSQ 90 degree plus angle Y plus angle X is equal to 180 degree because this is the angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, substituting the values, we get 90 degree plus Y, angle Y plus 37 degree gives me 180 degree. So angle Y is equal to 180 degree minus 90 minus 37. That would be angle Y is equal to, the answer is 53. This is the answer for X and Y. The next sum, we have to prove angle ROS, here is the angle ROS, is equal to half of QOS minus POS. So now from the figure we know that solution. So from the figure we know that angle POQ is equal to angle ROQ. So this is 90 degree. So the other side also will be 90 degree. So this angle will also be the same. So we say it is because of linear pair. Then we have to find out what is QoS and POS. So here angle QoS is equal to, this is QoS. So this is QoS. It has two adjacent angles, ROS, angle ROS plus angle ROQ. Therefore, from this ROS will be given by angle QoS minus angle ROQ. We'll keep this as 1. Then from the next triangle, from the other half, so what will be from this half, what will be ROS? So ROS will be equal to the full angle POR minus the other half, which is POS. Let us keep this as 2. So now adding 1 and 2, we get angle ROS plus angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus ROQ plus ROP or POR minus POS. So we know that already we know that POQ is equal to ROQ and 2 times of ROS is equal to, we have, what do we need? We need QOS minus angle POS. So here we have ROQ, here we have ROP. We know that ROP is equal to ROQ. So these two gets cut and our answer is proved. Therefore, ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. The next solution question number 5, we have to find angle C, where angle A and B is given in ratio. Whenever there is a ratio question, first we given x to both the values. So A becomes 2x, B is equal to 3x. Always remember this. For a ratio question, we add x to the given ratio. So therefore, in 2x plus 3x plus the 90 degree, all this full angle gives us 180 degree. The basic concept, linear pair. Therefore, 5x is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 over 5. That would be 18 degree. So 8 is equal to 18. Therefore, A is equal to 2x. That would be 2 into 18 is equal to 36. And B is equal to 3x. That would be 3 into 18 will be equal to 54. So we have to find C. So let us say C plus this angle, or we can say this angle, C plus angle B. Therefore, angle C plus angle B gives us 180 degree. Again, the linear pair. Then we know what is angle B. So angle C is plus 54 is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 54. Then, therefore, angle C is equal to 126 degree. So this is the final answer for C. Then question number 6, they say L is parallel to M. Therefore, this angle also will be equal to, let us keep this angle as 1 and this angle as 2. So we know since L is parallel to M, angle 1 is equal to angle 60 because it's both are corresponding angles. So corresponding angles, they will be on the same side and you get a F shape. You see, this is the F shape. That is a clue. So you can go and check my previous videos for the tricks in finding out the angle properties of transversal lines. So now, therefore, we'll say angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. This is basically a linear pair. Therefore, angle 60 degree plus angle 2 is equal to 180. So angle 2 will be equal to 180 minus 60. That would be equal to 40. Sorry. Angle 2 will be equal to 180 minus 60. That would be equal to angle 120 degree. Now we have to find x. We know that x plus 40 plus angle 2 gives 180 degree because of angle sum property. Therefore, x will be equal to 180 minus 40 minus 120. That would be equal to, x is equal to 180 degree minus 160. That is equal to 20. So the answer is 20 degree. Next question. So we have to find the value of angle A. Say angle B is equal to 110 minus angle A. Next question, you have to find angle A. So from A plus B is equal to 180. We assume angle B is equal to 110 minus angle A. We know that in a triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C gives 180 degree, the angle sum property. So we also know that from the question, angle A plus angle C is given as 135. So 130 degree 5 plus angle B is 110 minus angle A is equal to 180 degree. I have substituted the value of angle B from this equation, and we know angle A plus angle C is equal to 135 degree. Therefore, minus angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 135 minus 110. Therefore, angle A is equal to minus 180 degree minus 245. Therefore, angle A will be equal to minus 65. The negative sign gets cut. Therefore, angle A is equal to 65 degree, the final answer. The next question, which of the two lines are parallel? So if two lines are parallel, I can prove by saying the corresponding angles are equal, or co-interior angle makes 180, or alternate angles are equal. So now I'll check the figure A. I will check for the properties. Since there is a U shape, I will say angle 128 degree plus angle 52 degree makes 180 degree because they are co-interior angles. So therefore, this is the answer. The same if you try the concept here for co-interior angles, 105 plus 74 should give us 180 degree, but here it is 179, which is not equal to 180 degree. So the answer is figure A. Next question, we have to find the angle X given L is parallel to M. If L is parallel to M, we know this angle will also be 3x plus 20 because vertically opposite angles. Let us keep this angle as 1. So angle 1 is equal to 3x plus 20 because vertically opposite angles. Therefore, we know 3x plus 20 plus 2x minus 15 will be equal to 180 degree because co-interior angles, they make 180 degree, and also have the trick which is the U or the C shape. So children, for the tricks, please go through my previous video or the shorts. So now 5x 20 minus 15. So therefore 5x is equal to 180 minus 20 plus 15. So x will be equal to 180 minus 5. So x will be equal to 175 over 5. That is equal to 35 degree. So the answer is 35 degree. Next question. We have to find the value of angle A and B. So it is given, one equation is given, A minus B is equal to 20. We also know that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. And we have one more equation, angle A plus angle B is equal to 20 degree. It's given in the question. So now we will go to that particular linear pair and we will solve it. Therefore, what is the angle A is equal to, let us take 20 plus angle B. So we are going to substitute in the linear pair equation. So what is angle A? 20 plus angle B plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. So 2 angle B is equal to 180 minus 20 when it goes to the other side. So 2 angle B is equal to 160. So angle B is equal to 160 over 2. That would be 80 degree. So if angle B is 80, what is angle A? Angle A is equal to 80 plus 20. From this equation, which says angle A is equal to 20 plus angle B. So angle A is equal to 100. So this is the answer for angle A and B. Angle A is 100, angle B is 80. So children, so this particular solved revision paper, you can first pause the video, you can find the solution by yourself. Then you can check the answer, which will be very useful for the coming exam.